Welcome to our Microsoft Excel Beginner to Pro course, and I'm Christian Ivory, who will be leading you along this course. And I just want to go over a few things that you'll be learning in this course. So first, we'll learn the basics such as inputting numbers, formulas, and dates and text into Excel. Then we'll go over basic formulas, addition, subtraction, averages, multiplying, things of that. Then we'll even learn how to build a budget, use some formatting, and then we'll go into some more advanced topics such as pivot tables, lookup formulas. We'll go over how to work with large data sets as well, lists, data validation. We'll go over conditional formulas and macros as well. And we're going to slowly build you up to this. So we're going to go from the basics all the way to these more advanced topics to help you grasp these Excel concepts. And by the end of it, you'll be a pro at using Excel and you'll be much more confident in your work.